Are you curious about how we can build better institutions that truly work for people, for the planet, and for the future? CDF 2025 is more than just an event. It's a space to grow, serve, and deliver better. As a participant, you become part of a strong community of practice focused on shaping systems, networks, and mindsets needed for meaningful and lasting change. This year's forum brings you practical insights on key themes like institutional design, digital transformation, governance, and financing. You'll get to connect with experts and peers from the government, civil society, and the private sector and global networks. And there are plenty of opportunities to engage in interactive formats through panels, roundtables, workshops, and hands-on labs where ideas turn into action. Whether you're a policymaker, a mid-career professional, or just entering the field, CDF 2025 creates space for everyone to learn, reflect, and act. So why attend? Because this is where the future of institutions is being reimagined. And shaping stronger institutions starts with all of us.